Hello everyone, you're watching the channel Incredible Facts. Since the discovery of aviation, aircrafts have been used to transport heavy and bulky cargo. Many transport planes have been created throughout the history of aircraft construction, impressing the world with their enormous sizes. Today, we will show you the 10 largest transport aircrafts in the world. Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules. The Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules is a 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft. The Super Hercules is the world's most advanced tactical airlifter. Designed and developed with mission flexibility in mind, combat delivery, air-to-air refueling, special operations, disaster relief, and humanitarian missions, the C-130J has a unique mix of agility and performance to consistently operate in very high-intensity operations, efficiently and reliably. The maximum payload of the aircraft is about 42,000 pounds. Its length, 112 feet with a wingspan of 132 feet. Airbus A400M Atlas. The Airbus A400M Atlas is a European 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft. It was designed by Airbus Military as a tactical airlifter with strategic capabilities to replace older transport aircraft, such as the Transall C-160 and the Lockheed C-130 Hercules. With a maximum payload of up to 81,600 pounds, the A400M can carry numerous pieces of outside cargo, including vehicles and helicopters that are too large or too heavy for previous generation tactical airlifters. As for the size of the aircraft, its length is 148 feet and its wingspan is 139 feet. Aero Spaceline Super Guppy. The Aero Spaceline Super Guppy is a large, wide-bodied cargo aircraft used for hauling outsized cargo components. It was the successor to the Pregnant Guppy, the first of the Guppy aircraft produced by Aero Spacelines. 5 were built in 2 variants, both of which were colloquially referred to as the Super Guppy. The length of the aircraft is 143 feet, and its wingspan is 156 feet. Its payload is slightly over 54,500 pounds. Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. The Boeing C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft. It was developed for the United States Air Force from the 1980s to the early 1990s by McDonnell Douglas. The C-17 commonly performs tactical and strategic airlift missions, transporting troops and cargo throughout the world. Its additional roles include medical evacuation and airdrop duties. The payload of the C-17 is more than 170,000 pounds, 77.5 tons. And its length and wingspan are 174 and 170 feet respectively. Airbus A300-600ST Beluga. The Airbus A300-600ST Super Transporter, or Beluga, is a version of the standard A300-600 wide-body airliner modified to carry aircraft parts and oversized cargo. While it initially received the official name of Super Transporter, the name Beluga gained popularity due to its resemblance to the whale and has since been officially adopted. The maximum payload of the aircraft is 103,600 pounds, 47 tons. The length and wingspan are 184 and 147 feet respectively. Antonov AN-22 Anti. The Antonov AN-22 Anti is a heavy military transport aircraft designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Powered by 4 turboprop engines, each driving a pair of contra-rotating propellers, the design was the first Soviet wide-body aircraft and remains the world's largest turboprop-powered aircraft to date. Currently, the aircraft is used in the Russian Air Force and the Ukrainian cargo airline Antonov Airlines. The payload of the AN-22 is 176,350 pounds, 60 tons. The length of the AN-22 is 189 feet, and its wingspan is 211 feet. Boeing 747 Dreamlifter. The Boeing 747 Dreamlifter, also known as the Boeing 747-400 Large Cargo Freighter, is a wide-body cargo aircraft. Cargo is placed in the aircraft by the world's longest cargo loader. It is an extensively modified Boeing 747-400 that is used exclusively for transporting Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft components to Boeing's assembly plants from suppliers around the world. The maximum payload capacity is 250,000 pounds, 113,400 kilograms. The length of the aircraft is 235 feet, and its wingspan is 211 feet. Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. The Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is a large military transport aircraft originally designed and built by Lockheed. It is now maintained and upgraded by its successor, Lockheed Martin. It provides the United States Air Force with a heavy intercontinental range strategic airlift capability, one that can carry outsized and oversized loads, including all air-certifiable cargo. The C-5 is among the largest military aircraft in the world. The total weight that the aircraft can carry is more than 260 pounds, 118 tons. The length of the aircraft is 75.5 meters, and its wingspan is 68 meters. Antonov AN-124 Ruslan. The Antonov AN-124 Ruslan is a strategic airlift jet aircraft. It was designed in the 1980s by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Ukrainian SSR, then part of the Soviet Union. It is the largest of all commercial cargo aircraft in the world. It was designed primarily for the air transportation of launchers of intercontinental ballistic missiles, as well as for the transportation of heavy military equipment. The aircraft was created according to the classical scheme, with highly spaced wings of a small sweep and 4 turbojet engines. The maximum payload of the aircraft is 264,500 pounds, 120 tons. Antonov AN-225 Mriya. The Antonov AN-225 Mriya is a strategic airlift cargo aircraft that was designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Ukrainian SSR within the Soviet Union during the 1980s. It is powered by 6 turbofan engines and is the heaviest aircraft ever built, with a maximum payload capacity of 551,155 pounds, 250 tons. It also has the largest wingspan of any aircraft in operational service. Unlike the Ruslan, Mriya has only one cargo hatch, which is located in the nose of the aircraft. Like its predecessor, Mriya can change the ground clearance and the angle of the fuselage, which is extremely convenient during loading and unloading. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the aircrafts you liked the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.